Okay, here we go. Started to rain a little bit more, but I gotta get out of the park by 10 o'clock anyway. It's 9:24. It's 41 degrees right there. And can we see that? And so, like it or not, I gotta tear down camp. So I tore down Calaveras over here and get ready to take off. Had lots of fun. All the equipment worked out real well under the conditions, which is awesome, I think. I'll leave more information in the comments when I post this. This is Dro Dub 3 signing out, and I'm gonna miss staying out here.